Hi, welcome to Another Thing You Know. Blood donation is a noble act that helps save thousands of lives each year. There are many people with rare diseases that depend on your blood donation for their survival. And that is because blood contains plasma needed for their treatment. So in this video, we will look at what plasma really is, what it contains, and how it helps save countless lives by providing some key nutrients. I do hope that you like this video and it encourages you to donate blood or plasma if you're eligible. With that, let's get into it. Blood flowing through our veins is a complex solution of a number of different components, but about 55% of our blood by volume is plasma. It is a yellow-colored liquid which in turn is made of 90% water. Plasma transports red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and nutrients in our body, which comes from the food we eat. All these components in the right mix are required to keep us healthy. Plasma is also rich in protein, which helps build antibodies to strengthen the immune system by fighting against pathogens and viruses. Donated plasma helps in medical treatments, especially in cases of bleeding disorders and weakened immune systems. Here's how that works. Plasma can be donated either directly or can be extracted from blood donation. In cases where it is extracted from the blood, a lab removes the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets from the collected sample, leaving behind ready-to-use plasma. It is then frozen and stored for transfusion in other patients or used for transportation to other places. Just like blood group matching is done for blood donation, blood group is also required for plasma. The other way that plasma is helping millions, apart from donation, is plasma protein products. These are drugs that are used on a regular basis to increase immunity. These prescription-only medicines help to treat bleeding disorders, burns, and other diseases. While donating plasma is a noble cause, it is certainly not for everyone. Donating blood is comparatively considered much easier and hassle-free, as the donor needs to have a matching blood group and be in a healthy state. However, plasma donation tends to be much more strict. Since the protein-rich plasma plays a major role in building our immune system, a donor must have certain type of antibodies present before considering plasma donation. Apart from that, the level of these antibodies varies based on age and pre-existing health conditions. So it is very important to get a doctor's certificate before donating plasma. While you can donate blood to any blood bank, plasma donation requires many more checks. So the next time you hear about plasma or plasma donation, do recall this video. Please do click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.